12 animals with the strongest sense of smell. You don't know. Smell is an incredibly powerful sense, and some animals rely on it more than any other. For many species, having a strong sense of smell is essential for survival, helping them hunt, find mates, and stay safe. While we often hear about dogs having an amazing sense of smell, there are actually many animals in the wild with even more impressive sniffing abilities. Let's take a look at 12 animals with some of the strongest noses, ranked from strong to strongest. There are many surprising facts, so better you watch until the end. Let's get started. First, bloodhound. Bloodhounds are often considered the kings of tracking, with over 300 million scent receptors compared to around 5 million in humans. They can pick up a scent that's days old and follow it for miles. Bloodhounds are often used in search and rescue operations because of their exceptional ability to sniff out human scents, even in challenging environments. Second, Kiwi Bird. The kiwi, a small flightless bird from New Zealand, may not look like a super sleuth, but it has an amazing sense of smell. It's one of the only birds with nostrils at the end of its beak, helping it locate insects and worms hidden underground. Kiwis are active at night, relying on their sense of smell to find food in the dark. Third, Silvertip grizzly bear. The silvertip grizzly bear has a particularly strong sense of smell, even stronger than other bear species. They can smell a carcass from up to 20 miles away and have been known to track food over long distances. This enhanced sense of smell helps them find food in the vast, often challenging terrains of the wilderness. In fact, some experts believe that bears have the best sense of smell among land animals. Fourth, African elephant. Elephants are known for their intelligence and memory, but they also have a highly developed sense of smell. African elephants, in particular, can detect water sources up to 12 miles away, which is crucial in the dry savannas where they live. Elephants also use their trunks to identify different plants and to communicate with each other using scents. Five, catfish. Catfish have a strong sense of smell that allows them to navigate dark, murky waters with ease. Their entire bodies are covered in taste buds that help them detect chemicals in the water. This sense of smell is vital for survival in rivers and lakes, where visibility is often low. It's also how catfish find their prey and avoid danger. Sixth, turkey vulture. Turkey vultures have a unique adaptation that allows them to smell gases released by decaying animals from far above. They use this ability to locate carcasses even when hidden under thick forest canopies. Turkey vultures are one of the few birds with such an acute sense of smell, making them vital in cleaning up ecosystems. Seventh, rats. Rats have a remarkable sense of smell that helps them survive in various environments. They can detect even the slightest scent of food or danger. Rats are now trained by humans to detect landmines and even sniff out diseases like tuberculosis. Their keen sense of smell, combined with their intelligence, makes them excellent little detectors. 8. Snakes. Snakes, especially species like pythons and pit vipers, use their tongues to taste the air. When they flick their tongues, they're picking up scent particles and bringing them to a special organ called the Jacobson's organ. This sense of smell allows them to track prey, find mates, and navigate their environment, even without limbs or good eyesight. 9. Moles. Moles, despite having poor eyesight, have an extraordinary sense of smell that helps them thrive underground. Moles can smell in stereo, meaning they can detect scents coming from different directions with each nostril. This remarkable skill helps them locate food sources, such as insects and earthworms, with pinpoint accuracy as they tunnel through soil. Their noses act like radars, detecting small prey hidden under the Earth's surface. 10. Bumblebees. Bumblebees use their sense of smell to locate flowers and detect the presence of pollen and nectar. They have specialized sensory organs on their antennae that help them identify the specific scent of flowers, guiding them to the best sources of food. Bumblebees can even sense if another bee has recently visited a flower, which saves them from wasting time on a flower with limited nectar. Their sense of smell is crucial for foraging and ultimately for pollination. 11th. Great white shark. Great white sharks have a powerful sense of smell, specifically tuned for detecting blood in the water. They can smell blood from up to 3 miles away, which helps them locate injured prey. Great whites use their sense of smell to hunt effectively, especially since visibility is often limited underwater. 12th. Male silk moth, most powerful. Finally, at the top of our list is the male silk moth, which has the most acute sense of smell in the animal kingdom. Its feathery antennae can detect pheromones from a female silk moth up to 7 miles away. This incredible adaptation allows the male to find a mate, even when separated by great distances in dense forests. Conclusion. From the bloodhound's tracking abilities to the male silk moth's long-distance scent detection, these animals show us just how powerful and varied the sense of smell can be. Each species has adapted its nose or an equivalent organ to help it survive in unique ways. Smell is often a survival skill, guiding animals in finding food, detecting danger, and even locating mates. That's all for today. We hope you liked this video. Be sure to share and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides about animal, and let us know in the comments. See you on the next video.